Hi everyone, it's Archana from Breathe Move Love. First of all, let me wish all of you who are celebrating Holi, happy Holi. And it's the festival of colors, and I've chosen a topic which is really very close to this colors, and that is about relationship. So, is your relationship black and white? Is your relationship very colorful, or is your relationship has got no color? So, why is it that we find after marrying someone or after having a relation with someone for some time, and we find that no, it's not the right person, and I'm doing everything for that person, but still the person is not giving me back anything, no happiness, nothing. We talk about conditional love, but frankly, in a relationship, uh, there is a conditional love, because we each of us are responsible for each and for our happiness. But at the same time, if you look deeper into that, nobody can make you happy. So if you are talking about happiness in the relationship, you have to work on your happiness. Whether you are living with your parents, your siblings, or your partner or husband, he has got his own personality. He has got his own choices in his life. So my clients often complain that I'm gaining a weight because of my husband. Oh, how come? Because he eats a big meal, and I have to eat. So why do you have to eat big meal? Because he eats big meal. So that's not love. So love is something where you are understanding the other person with their own perspective, but you are not flowing with their values. So you have some values which you would carry. Let's say you are not a big eater, so or maybe you are not a frequent eater. So you would do what you want to do. And let's say if you are a cyclist, you want to go and cycle during weekends, but your husband doesn't want to do that. So what does he want to do? So maybe he wants to watch tally, so let him watch his tally. So happiness doesn't depend on the other person. Happiness is more about who you are. First, you have to know who you are and how you could make yourself happy. The relationship can be somehow conditional, because if I'm doing something, we are in a society where we really think that okay, I'm cooking for him, I'm cleaning, and so he should love me. Yeah, but maybe he has got no values about that. So what you could do initially is, like a baby, you love them unconditional. Yeah, so you don't say things, but loving unconditional doesn't mean that you would not do your own stuff. So loving unconditional comes from you first. So love yourself unconditional first, and then love the other person. So does it make sense, or is it too messy? So I would give you an example of a girl who really wanted to dance, and she forced her husband to dance too. Her husband was never into dancing. So when they went for a class, she enjoyed the class, but every time when he used to come out, he always thought that why he has to do things which he doesn't like. And so he thought, okay, I would force her to do something which I like. And what does he like? He used to love watching football match. So he asked her to watch football match, and she completely hated it. She didn't knew anything about the football match. So what happened? There was lot of tension in between them. And these are very small example which I am giving you. There are a lot of issues which would start with these small issues. So have your own passion, have your own life. Get back to your own life first, and then try to reach for other person. So if you are not happy, if you have not loved yourself unconditional, how would you love other person? So these are the things which is very important. And in this festival of Holi, we play with colors. So we all have got different colors. So you just have to come and mix and match with the people. So in mixing and matching, you don't lose your own color. So let's say I'm wearing yellow color here, and this is pink and this is green. But in that mixing and matching of this color, the yellow is still there. So this is you. So you have to stay with your own color, but these colors can come and decorate you, come and help you. So learn about relationship about yourself first. Don't try to make other person, whoever is in living with you, or whoever you think that would make you happy. It's not their responsibility. It's your responsibility first to make yourself happy first. Then look at that person. So when you come with that approach, so let's say with the dancing couple who I was talking about, my client. So when I started working with her, I suggested a few steps. I said, okay, so let's say, you start dancing on your own, and you go there, you choose your partner, you dance, and you come back home, and let's see how it works. And she said for the first few days, she said, I was very furious because whenever I used to come, he was there watching TV, but he cooked a meal for her because that guy was sincerely in love with that girl. So he cooked meal for her, he did lot of stuff. So just to, when she is coming after dance class, she should feel relaxed, happy. But she was very adamant because she really think that he is not fitting into what she really wanted him to fit into. So these are the things which you should always see, that in our relationship we start looking at these stuff very seriously, and later when she understood about the relationship, what she started noticing, she has got a lovely husband who cooks for her, and she has got a lovely husband who waits for her to say that, okay, how was your day? How did dancing go? But maybe he doesn't like dancing. So you really have to see how everyone is different, every color is different. So keep your color and try to say no sometime into your relationship. That's a very different topic, but try to say no into your relationship, because yes doesn't mean that you love more. So if you don't like something, say no, I don't like it, but it doesn't mean that I'm refusing you as a person, or in my relationship I am saying no. So these are the small steps which you could work on, and there is more in the relationship which I would when I look at the chakra system. So it's the heart where you have to understand give and take thing. So don't give, don't just take, it should be a balance. And how you would achieve it, there is a process in that, but again you could start with these small steps. That's it for today, guys, and hope you have enjoyed this video. And by the way, I must thank my husband, my dog, my daughter for helping me to make this video. My daughter is standing with, I don't know what you call it, Deepak? Reflector, yeah. My husband is behind the camera, and my dog, as usual, she is entertaining. So happy Holi from all of us, and hope you have enjoyed, and thanks for watching. Bye.